The holidays are officially here, which means everyone's holiday table is gonna be covered in cookies. Sugar cookies are a favorite during this time of year, but today we're gonna do something just a little bit different. We're gonna spice them up a little with my good friend here, Cake Spice. It's gonna elevate the flavors and bring a wonderful surprise to your palate. Now come with me and let's get jamming in the kitchen. First up is our all-purpose flour. Some granulated sugar, some baking powder, a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt, and last but not least, our secret ingredient, Cake Spice. My favorite brand to use is Spices Inc. Our dry ingredients are nice and combined. I'm gonna set them aside and we're gonna get melding our wet ingredient. First thing on our bowl is the vanilla bean paste. Next up is 1 large egg at room temperature. Usually in sugar cookies, you use unsalted butter. I found that ghee works so much better. Ghee is basically butter with its water and milk proteins removed. You still get all the buttery glory, but without the side effects of the water and the butter that causes your sugar cookies to spread. It is pure butter fat. Now let's whisk these wet ingredients together. Let's grab our dry ingredients and combine these two together. As you can see, our wet and dry are nice and combined, ready for us to shape and make some sugar blobs. But before we make our sugar blobs, I just want to do a quick example of rolling out some dough and using a cookie cutter so I can show you how beautifully it bakes up. I'll roll it into a nice ball. Our dough is about 1/4 of an inch thick. We're gonna use my little back cookie cutter here. Peel our remnants from around it. And there we go. We got 1 back. Let's make some blobs. I'm gonna roll it around into a ball. I have some granulated sugar here in a bowl. And we're gonna just roll it around until it's fully covered. This is gonna add to the overall experience of our sugar cookie. I found that while I was experimenting, I liked that additional crunch that this extra sugar adds to our cookie once baked. Our sugar cookies look and smell great. We're gonna pop these in the oven at 375 degrees for approximately 10 minutes. We're gonna let our cookies cool for 2 minutes on the cookie sheets and then slide them off to finish cooling on our cooling rack. Our cookies are cooled. They look and smell great. Check it out, guys. Perfectly shaped, nice and golden brown on the back, no spread. But this just proves to you guys that my experimentation with ghee, it has paid off and it works. Now on to our sugar blobs. Look how beautiful they came out. A nice crunchy top, and that's from rolling our blobs into the sugar. Our backs are nice and golden brown. Now, let's break it apart and check out the inside. Look how nice and fluffy and moist and delicate the inside is. They smell amazing. Let's go in for a taste. This cookie is an experience. You get the crunch as you bite in from the outside, then you get this burst of spices in your mouth and all that buttery goodness from our ghee, but the center is still soft and moist, not dry at all. To me, it's the perfect sugar cookie. Now, go get experimenting in your kitchen, and I'm gonna go finish my sugar cookie. Thank you for watching. Please continue to support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing with family and friends. You'll find all recipes linked below in the description box. Please check out our website, and I'll see you next time on Julia's Jammin' Kitchen.